Today, we're making one of the most requested sauces, the Copycat Freddy's fry sauce. It's very close to the original, but when you make it at home, it actually hits even better. The full recipe link is in the description below. In a bowl, add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of ketchup to create that creamy base. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pickle juice and 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar for that signature tangy flavor. Now mix in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to build depth and savoriness. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt to balance everything out. Now whisk everything together until smooth, creamy, and fully combined. If you're enjoying recipes like this, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves copycats, and subscribe to our channel for more easy homemade recipes. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. So here you go with your homemade Copycat Freddy's fry sauce. This recipe makes about 3/4 cup of sauce, perfect for fries, burgers, chicken, and anything you love to dip. For the best flavor, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. Give it a try and see how close it comes to your favorite version, then let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.